everyone, welcome back. For today's mani, we're going to be dipping into some new colors from Luxie Nail. Now these colors here are perfect for spooky season and great for our 31 Days of Halloween series because these colors all have a gorgeous rich black base to them, and then there's like these really pretty like color shifting chameleon flakes. So it's kind of like we're doing like a shape shifting kind of spooky mani today with these new colors. Now you can see here with that first dip, we have really rich coverage here, and that black is super dark. And then we have those beautiful shifty flakes and foils in here. They're overall stunning, and I'm just going to take my time now and just gently press them down. You're going to see a theme here anytime I dip into this dip powder or any of the colors that we're using today. I'm always going to take my time to make sure I am pressing down gently just to make sure those flakes are just laying really flat. Again, with that first dip that you see here, we picked up even more of those beautiful flakes, and I really like these dip powders. You're going to really see all these colors come to life, and there's just something about these flakes with the black base that are just simply beautiful. And when these flakes hit the sunlight, it's going to be like a whole nother animal on its own, but overall really pretty. And I do like and appreciate that when you go in with a second dip that you are not oversaturating with that black base. You're still seeing those flakes shine through, which I really like that about that. I was worried. I was like, ooh, if I go with the second dip, am I going to completely cover that first layer of flakes? But I didn't. It gave the nail extra dimension. It's so fun and so beautiful. And wait till you see the other colors here in action. I can't believe we're already on day 10 of the 31 Days of Halloween series. Don't forget that image is going to pop up randomly today throughout this video. You're not going to know where it is, and then that's going to be the image you need to remember to enter in the giveaway for today's upload. How do you enter in that giveaway? You're going to click on that description box below underneath this video here. There's going to be a Google entry form. You're going to click on that Google entry form, fill out your name, email address, and then select that multiple choice question with what image did you see today in that video and hit submit. That will be your entry for the giveaway. If you're new to this series, each day of the Halloween series there's going to be a random fun Halloween image that pops up, and then you have a chance to enter in that giveaway. So each day you can enter, so potentially you can get up to 31 different entries, and then we're going to put everyone's entries in on a wheel and spin it, and someone's going to win a grand prize. 10 companies are participating, and it's overall going to be a really fun nail trick-or-treat bag for that grand prize winner. So overall, very exciting. All right, so enough chit-chat. Let's dive into this mani process and see these new colors in action, and then I'm going to pop back in just a little bit.
On a cold night. Tonight, on a cold night.
Alright, so we're just wrapping up the gel base here. I am curing as we go for 30 seconds. I will say I'm completely blown away by these dips because I'm not having any like dark staining on my brush or anything like that. And these flakes are not bleeding, so you're not getting like that muddy look. Sometimes when you're working with flakes, it can kind of bleed out and you're kind of stuck with like this muddy effect, but not with these dip powders. So I did the rest of that top coat off camera and cured for 60 seconds. Here's the finished mani. How fun is this mani? There's just something about these flakes with the black base that is like perfect for spooky season. I mean, even if you're not rocking these for spooky season, these are great colors in general. So pretty. You could even do like a galaxy mani with these or like a universe. So fun. I really like how these dip powders performed. These flakes laid super flat. There's no bleeding or anything like that. Even with that dark base to them and going in with that second dip, they still stayed true to color. So overall, these dip powders performed excellent, especially with the gel method. So I will go ahead and link everything that we use in today's mani in that description box below. And don't forget to enter in that giveaway, and I'll see you in the next spooky one.